Hello friends, welcome to Value Riders channel. Value Riders channel focuses on analyzing an investment and buying decision for viewers to make them understand suitability and risk involved. Value Riders channel helps viewers in saving more money on all financial investment or buying plans. Today in this video we will look at the top 5 mistakes generally insurer will take while renewing their insurance. So in India, only third party damage is compulsory for 3 years and own damage insurance is compulsory only for the first year. So some statistics say that about 40% of cars that are more than 3 years old remain uninsured in India. Still, most of us feel insurance as a wasteful expenditure and not looked at as a risk coverage option. If you want to understand the value of a time, ask an athlete who lost a gold medal in a margin of 0.02 seconds. In the same way, value of insurance will be felt only at the time of registering an FIR at a police station for a theft of the car or after settling a hefty bill in a service center for repair works. So insurance has to be seen purely as a risk coverage option, not as an expenditure. So in this video we will discuss about common mistakes done while renewing insurance. These mistakes could turn costly while making claims, or we can make higher premiums from our end, or we can miss out on discounts offered by insurers. So how can we avoid all these mistakes and save more money on our insurance premium amounts? Value Riders channel has been doing more money saving videos for viewers, so please subscribe to Value Riders channel and also do like, share and press bell button to receive all our videos without missing any of those. Now let's get into the video. The first and one of the key mistakes done by most of the insurance customers is just taking policy with an agent offline or with a dealer and continuing with an old insurer without comparing other options online. Online is still not a preferred option for most of the insurance customers because of the fear created by these insurance agents and dealers that if you change your insurer or go to online options, you will not get cashless treatment or insurers during claim settlements. No claim bonus will not get transferred. Don't believe in all these claims. These rumors are just spread by these agents to protect their hefty premiums. Insurance companies will not treat policies taken from offline agents, dealers or online options differently. All of these options or features are also available in the online products as well. Lot of online insurance agents like CoverFox will also provide assistance in terms of claim settlement, give a reminder calls for insurance payment on time, etc. Invest some quality time to search for options online and compare policies to save money on your insurance policies. Then, according to your convenience or comfort, you decide which is the best option for you, either it is offline or dealership or online, and then decide the best option for you. Second most common mistake most of the insurance subscribers take is considering the cheapest policy with less coverage option. So cheapest is always not the best option. So once you have decided to come online and compare the policies with all the insurers, so make a common platform in which the required insurance declared value what you want to keep. For example, your car's value currently is around 7 lakhs. So you keep that 7 lakh as the base and then whatever add-ons you want to make. So you click all those options and then you compare with all the insurers who have the relevant options with the similar IDV, which is the cheapest policy, instead of going for cheapest policy upfront. So cheapest policy could be due to lower IDV coverage or other features option lesser. That is one thing. Second thing, Also check whether all these insurers are providing cashless options, what are their claim settlement ratio, what are the garage coverages in your area. So these are critical things before buying any cheap policy. So once you compare all these things and bring them all on the equal footage, then you select the cheaper policy among the best options available. So that would be a right option instead of going for a cheapest policy upfront. Third most common mistakes is facing add-ons imbalance. So you have to make a proper balance in picking up the add-ons. On one side, there are customers who pick up all add-ons options which are available or provided by the insurer and pay higher premiums. On the other end, customers don't opt for add-ons at all and lose lot of risk coverage and end up paying higher amount during the claim settlement. So always you have to make a proper balance of opting for few critical add-ons which are suitable for you and your driving conditions and your area situation, and leave unsuitable add-ons. For example, a zero depreciation add-on which negates depreciation calculation during settling claims. This is very beneficial for cars that are relatively new and between 1 to 5 years old. Alternatively, a passenger cover add-on is a waste of money if you are driving solo. Engine protection option may not be suitable for a customer who is residing in the areas of hill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal, Shimla, etc. So this may not be suitable for that customer and he might not require that engine protection option. So according to Value Riders, you should consider opting for critical add-ons like zero debt and return to invoice if you have a new car or less than 3 to 5 years old. And definitely an engine protection option if your place is prone to flood or waterlogging. Fourth common mistake most of the insurance customers make is missing out on the no claim bonus discounts. So no claim bonus is a discount offered by the insurers on appreciating the good driving behavior of the customer. So in the first year the discounts will be zero. After completing one claim free year, then you will get 20% bonus, and then this can increase up to 50% if you remain claim free. So if a customer make a small claims below rupees 5,000 kind of claim, and if you make one claim during a particular year, your NCB discount, even if it is as high as 50%, it can fall directly to zero, and you will have to grow gradually to 50% over next 3, 4, 5 years. So don't make unnecessary claims. For small claims, make it out of your own pocket, be losing your NCB discounts. Also, if you are not renewing before policy's due date, this will also make NCB discounts to become zero, and you will lose future discounts on your basic policy. So please try to avoid this to get regular benefit of NCB discounts. Fifth most common mistakes insurance subscribers do is not sharing accurate information with insurers. So online contracts is made based only on the mutual trust. So online premiums are calculated on the basis of information provided by you. For example, previous NCB discounts is entered as 35% instead of 25%. So the new insurance company always will do a check with the old insurer, and if the claim considered to be false, then there will be an extra charge of 10% charged to you with a notice to pay immediately. Otherwise, your insurance contract will become void or will not be applicable for you. So no claims made in the previous year, claim history, hiding information related to car modification. So these things will make your insurance contract void or will not be useful for you. So always try to provide accurate information to the insurer, and also after you receive the contract from the online insurance company, please do verify all your details, your name, car registration number, engine or chassis number and your previous NCB discount and current NCB discounts applicable, so that you can make a proper communication with the insurer. Also, if you are moving out of one city to another city, or if you are making any modification to your car, so please do inform your insurer, so that to avoid any surprises during your claim settlements. Thanks a lot, friends. Please do subscribe to Value Riders channel and get more information on money saving videos. Do like and share, and also press bell icon to keep getting all this information immediately. Thanks a lot, friends.